Inside Russell Wilson's $35 million Seattle mansion. Welcome to the ultimate tour of Russell Wilson's stunning $35 million lakefront mansion in Seattle. This luxurious estate showcases the perfect blend of modern design and natural beauty. As you step inside, you're greeted by an expansive open-concept living area that boasts floor-to-ceiling windows, offering breathtaking views of the lake. The state-of-the-art kitchen is every chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, sleek marble countertops, and custom cabinetry designed for both functionality and style. Adjacent to the kitchen, the spacious dining area is perfect for hosting intimate dinners or large gatherings, with a seamless flow to the outdoor terrace. The master suite is a true sanctuary, complete with a private balcony, a cozy fireplace, and an indulgent spa-like bathroom featuring a soaking tub and rain shower. The mansion's guest bedrooms are equally impressive, each offering unique design elements and ensuite bathrooms to ensure comfort and privacy for all visitors. For entertainment, there's a dedicated media room equipped with the latest technology, offering an immersive cinema experience without leaving the comfort of home. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the private gym, complete with state-of-the-art equipment and a yoga studio that overlooks the serene lakefront. The outdoor spaces are a highlight, featuring a stunning infinity pool, multiple lounging areas, and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen for the ultimate in al fresco dining. The meticulously landscaped grounds are dotted with vibrant gardens, providing a tranquil retreat that complements the home's modern architecture. For water lovers, the private dock offers easy access to the lake, making it perfect for boating, fishing, or simply enjoying the peaceful waters. This tour of Russell Wilson's lakefront mansion showcases not just a home, but a lifestyle of luxury, comfort, and unparalleled natural beauty. Thank you for joining us.